This training is going to cover drafts of content, current versions of content, and publishing content. Current versions of pages are going to be what's the active page in Cascade. So that's going to be the page when you click on any one of your pages in the site that initially pops up and lets you see it in previews. So this is my current page. Now, if I have a draft of a page, I will also see an option at the top called Draft. If I click that, I'm going to be able to get a preview of what I've been editing. In this case, it looks like I changed out my video for a table. If I wanted to make this my active page, I could simply hit Edit to edit it, go into the page itself, and hit Submit. This will make it the active page. So anytime you hit submit, it's going to become the active page in Cascade Server. I could, however, make more changes and just update my draft. Drafts also are not able to be viewed by anybody else that has access to those pages. They can only view the current or active version of the page. They don't see your drafts. So drafts are basically personal to the individual user. So in this case, I'll go ahead and hit submit. It's going to walk me through spell checkers and link checkers. In this case, it does say I have a broken link. I could fix that. If I had a typo, I would get some other options for fixing that. Once this goes through and finalizes, it's going to give me a preview of the page, and you can see that there's no longer a current and draft version at the top. All I have is my current version. My draft has now become my current version. However, this still does not necessarily match the live site. I have to publish this in order to make it live. So to publish an individual page after you made changes, you can select the page, go to the Publish tab. From the Publish tab, you're going to give a couple options. You can pretty much ignore everything. It's already preset. The only thing to pay attention to is the publish mode. I can either publish or unpublish. 90% of the time, you're probably going to be publishing versus unpublish. So I'm going to leave that as publish, and then I hit submit. It's going to say publish message sent successfully. Give it a couple of seconds and go check the live site, and now the live version will match your active version. One thing to note is if you create a new page and set it to be in the navigation, or you adjust whether a page is in the navigation, you will need to republish the entire folder for that, because the menu will need to be updated on all the pages on the live site. And since the live site is static flat pages and separate from the content management system, you have to publish those and basically tell it to push those out to the live site. So you would need to select the training folder and then go through the process of publishing all the pages, which is covered in an additional training video.